What's up, guys? In today's video, I'll be doing a quick demo on how to enable inline editing in Salesforce reports. And this is a very quick and important feature that anybody can do in order to quickly edit or something on Salesforce reports. Like if you want to edit one of your records directly through Salesforce reports. Without further ado, let's just jump to the demo directly, and then for that I'll be using one of my Trailhead demo, and I already have a report with all accounts without any filtering, and I'm actually showing you a couple of columns here. Like I have these columns, and a lot of my columns, for example account sites, are missing a lot of data. My account record type is missing a lot of data. We can see this section is missing a lot of type and rating, and so I need to quickly fill those information. And how can I do this directly through the reports, right? So that will save me time, and maybe I'm showing this and gathering this information directly from the client, and I have to do it very quickly, and I don't really want to go to each of my record and try to find that specific field and then edit it, and then it will be just so time consuming, right? So I can just directly want to fix it here. Okay, cool. So to do that, we just need to go to the setup, and in search bar, let's look for dashboard. So this section, reports and dashboard settings. We will be trying to enable this line saying enable inline editing in reports, only working with lighting experience only, as you can note it. Let's save it. Let's return back. We need to go ahead and refresh my page to be able to view this button that's just appeared right on the top right corner. So once I click that, now I have this button, and I will be able to edit anything, like basically one of my fields. So here I will be just saving this as hot, as warm. Let's put this site 2 test, right? I'll be saving number of employees 15 on the bottom. So I change a couple of fields, right, on particularly 1, 2, 3 records, and I change account side, employees, and then this button I'll just go ahead and save it. Cool, this all saved up, as you can see right here. Site test 2 test, I have warm. If this didn't appear, or you will just have to need to make sure you refresh it, and then you can refresh it from here, or hard refresh from here. Cool, this is how it works, guys. Hope you guys find this helpful. Follow for more for more videos in this channel.